Good morning, everybody. It is July 15, and it's just after 8 o'clock in the morning. I am getting out here a little bit earlier than I used to, just so I can get more done before it gets hot. Yesterday, I finished all the mowing. The property's looking a lot better, and finished the center section scaffolding thing that I put together. There's something up there on the scaffolding. I don't know what it is. That looks like an animal of some sort. Hey guys, I put this scaffolding up yesterday. I think a hawk or something did its business here. I have a dead skunk. It stinks and its guts are laying around. Yuck. I don't know that I want to deal with that at the moment. Might let that dry up some more. That's weird. Okay, so and then well guy truck still sitting here, not fixed yet. Today I'm gonna get after this all the way around this house and do some backfilling. Just get done more what I can get done. That's the plan. Nothing too exciting, but it needs to be done. All right, let's get to work. There's ants all over it too. That's going to be stinky from now on while we're working. Oh, man. Well, I got it out of here. Hopefully it'll smell will clear up. Alright guys, so far it's been a decent day. It's still hot and muggy, but at least we have clouds and it's covering the sun from beating down on me. So I don't know if you guys watched the episode of I rolled a tractor down this hill. It was pretty scary, and I'm very aware now. And I've gotten my tires already this time pretty close to the edge. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to pack some dirt in here and make this wide enough. I just tried to, a while ago, go down this side before moving all this dirt over. And what happened was it was like this, and it leaned me right up into the wall, and I scratched this with my box scraper. Not a big deal, but I learned my lesson like really fast. But I can't go down through there, it'll tip me in there unless I take that shovel and move that over. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to work my way down. I basically just need to get the dirt to the top, or maybe an inch above the footer. And then once I do that, then we can level this out and then start dropping it so it goes down 6 feet or 6 inches over 10 feet. So I'm filling this in, going halfway from this direction, and then I'll start coming in from this way and work my way back out that way. That end's a little less scary. It's not quite as slanted, and it's a little wider, so that's not quite as bad. But this is you hit this with the side of the tractor, it's done. And so I'm I'm scared today and being very, very cautious, but sometimes you just never know. It takes 1 second not looking. All right, back to work. Basically, I'm having to go all the way down here and scoop the dirt and then come all the way back over here for one bucket. It's taking a really long time, but I don't need that dirt and good to use it over here. We're trying to do our best to just use the dirt we have. I have a feeling at some point we're going to have to order dirt. I also have that big huge pile there, but that would need to backfill around this house when we put that one in. So all right, well, let's keep on going. We're getting there, guys. Whew. It's taking some shovel work at the same time, but yeah, I can't get too close with the tractor to that edge. So I just now kind of got it just above the footer, and this is starting to look a little smoothed out now, a little better. So I'll scrape it a few times and drop a little more dirt in here. I don't think they're going to get super particular about 6 inches over 10 feet. I mean, maybe they will, but I think this is looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and knock this down too a little bit so I can have a little bit more place to drive there. And again, this has to go like this, so this is in the way if this is slanted. So we'll get it. We're getting it done. It is hot, hardly a breeze, and it's just muggy hot. Ugh. Well, we'll deal with it. I got most of this in now. I could add a few more buckets for sure, and I probably will over time. This is starting to look pretty decent. So I might add a couple more buckets right here, and then I got to start down on the other end. That's the next step. This side's the hardest as far as I've got to dig down here where that vent is. That's the highest it can go on this whole side of the wall. And then we got to come down 6 inches. So I was pulling the front loader along there and trying to pull some out. But this here up against the wall is much softer than what's out here. Basically where you see the road right here. This is softer. So if I wanted to go over here with the tractor, I'm afraid that I might slip or sink in. I'm not quite sure. It's been there a few weeks and through a rain or two, but I just don't know. When I started to get down in here a little bit, it was definitely softer. So I'm a little leery of getting too sketchy in there. So I'm just going to keep pulling back. That's basically my point there. As you come down here, the road goes down. There's a slope to this road. And so I'm not quite sure if I want to just do everything even off that vent or go sloping with the road. Sloping with the road will probably be easier. So, but I'm not sure if it's going to look if it'd look better if this was all straight. I don't know. Well, I'm going to keep on playing with it for a little bit. It's starting to get really hot, even though we're cloudy. It's quite hot, and there's a little breeze that came up, giving me a little bit of relief. That's how much water I got left, so when that goes, I'm definitely done. All right, back to work. It's still not completely done, but I feel like it's a pretty good rough in. Like I said, I've said this 50 million times, 6 inches over 10 feet go down. It's obviously not there yet. So the thing I haven't been saying is that we have, I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're showing rain. So this will get all packed in and moved around by rain anyway. But I feel like I got a pretty good rough amount done. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy. So basically what I did today is I just did everything around the whole house. It's never a final product probably. It's not completely done, but it'll get there. And this helps before we bring in the trusses and stuff, and it'll be more flat and stuff. So I don't know when's the next time I'm going to be out here. I think Valia has tomorrow off, so I may spend the day with her doing something, which would be a Tuesday, and maybe be back out here Wednesday. I don't quite know what I'm going to do. Sometimes things come up and I could be back out here tomorrow. I don't know. But until then, I will see you guys the next time I'm out here.